My friend Deepali shared with me this amazing South Indian snack recipe, and let me tell you, it has become my absolute favorite. It is called Medu Vada, but I just call them savory doughnuts. They've got this incredible crispy outside and a soft, fluffy inside that is just so good. Plus, they are made from lentils, so not only are they delicious, but they are nutritious too. Here is the recipe that she sent me.
Rinse 1 cup or 210 grams of urad dal and let it soak overnight in cold water. The next day, use a strainer to drain all the water off. Then place the lentils in a food processor or grinder and add 2 tablespoons of water and blend them into a smooth paste. If the batter is too thick, add a few more tablespoons of water. The lentil paste should be like a thick, smooth cream, and there may be some tiny bits from the lentils. It should be easy to shape and hold together well, perfect for making vadas. Now scoop out all the lentil paste into a mixing bowl and add half a teaspoon of hing and 3/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a good mix till everything is well combined and smooth. Then cover it with a plate and let it rest for 10 minutes. After letting the batter sit for 10 minutes, give it a vigorous whisk for about 5 minutes. This helps to incorporate air into the batter, making it lighter and fluffier. It is fluffy enough if it floats in the water. Now add 2 heaped teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Then give all the ingredients another good mix till everything is well combined. Now wet your hands with cold water to prevent the batter from sticking. Take a small portion of the dough and shape it into a donut and make a hole in the center using your finger. Then very carefully drop the vada in hot oil. Try not to cook too many at one time. Fry the vadas for 2 to 3 minutes, flipping them over until they turn a golden brown on both sides. Put the vadas on a banana leaf or a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. Serve the Medu Vada hot or warm. You can have it with sambar or chutney or yogurt, or just by itself.
If you like this Medu Vada recipe, you are definitely going to love this non-bread recipe here. It is super easy to make and comes out delicious every time. And the best part, you don't even need an oven to make it. Check it out now.